Good morning friends. Today we are learn about a hot question in problem set 5. Problem number 80 is already given. Now next problem, that is problem number 20. Find the coordinate of the center of the circle passing through the point P 6 minus 6, Q 3 minus 7 and R 3 3. Now in this case the point on the circles are given, that is the P, Q and R, but the center is not given. Therefore now firstly we have to considering O is the center of the circle. Now consider O be the center of the circle and the coordinate of O is considered as xy, and we have to find the value of x and value of y. Now 3 points are on the circle that are given. P, Q, R are the point on the circle. Therefore we have to consider point P coordinate are x1 y1 and the coordinates are 6 minus 6. Now consider coordinate of Q x2 y2 and that are given, that is 3 minus 7. Last point, that is R, consider coordinate are x3 y3 and that are values are 3 3. Now in this case x1 is equal to 6, y1 is equal to minus 6, x2 is equal to 3, y2 is equal to minus 7, x3 is equal to 3 and y3 is equal to 3. Now we have to draw a circle having center O, 3 points P, Q and R on the circle. P having coordinate 6 minus 6, Q 3 minus 7, R 3 3. Now if we have to considering O is the center and 3 P, Q and R are the point on the circle, therefore we have to consider their radius, that is OP, OQ and OR. That means segment OP is equal to segment OQ is equal to segment OR, because these are the three radius of the circles. Okay, by using distance formula we can calculate OP, OQ and OR. Now first we have to considering a OP. Coordinate of O is considered as a x, y and coordinate of P is considered as a x1, y1. Now then the formula become x1 minus x bracket square plus y1 minus y bracket square. Okay, OP is equal to, by using distance formula, under root x1 minus x bracket square plus y1 minus y bracket square. Putting the values of x1 and y1 and squaring this equation, squaring, we get value of x1 is given, that is a 6 minus x bracket square plus y1 is equal to minus 6 minus y bracket square. Okay, square and root get cancelled, therefore we can write here 6 minus x bracket square plus minus 6 minus y bracket square. Consider this equation as a first equation. Now we have to considering a second, that is OQ. Coordinate of O is xy and Q is nothing but the x2 y2. Therefore the formula become x2 minus x bracket square plus y2 minus y bracket square. Similarly here also squaring and putting the values of x2 and y2, we get x2 is nothing but the 3 minus x bracket square plus, that is a minus 7 minus y bracket square. This is considered as the equation number second. Now last consider as OR. Okay, O is nothing but the xy and R is nothing but the x3 y3. Then the formula become OR is equal to under root x3 minus x bracket square plus y3 minus y bracket square. Similarly squaring and putting the value of x3 and y3, we get 3 minus x bracket square plus 3 minus y bracket square, and this is considered as the equation number 3. Here OP is equal to OQ is equal to OR. Therefore if we have to squaring on both sides, then we get OP square is equal to OQ square is equal to OR square. Now first we have to considering OQ square is equal to OR square, and value of x and y will be fine. Now considering OQ square is equal to OR square. Value of OQ square is nothing but 3 minus x bracket square plus minus 7 minus y bracket square. 3 minus x bracket square plus minus 7 minus y bracket square is equal to OR square. Value of OR square is equal to 3 minus x bracket square plus 3 minus y bracket square. Both this side 3 minus x bracket square, 3 minus x bracket square, that get cancelled. Remaining thing minus 7 minus y bracket square is equal to 3 minus y bracket square. Let's squaring on both sides. Minus 7 square is equal to 49. Minus minus become plus. Minus 7 and y. Minus 7 y into minus, that become a plus. Plus 14 y minus y square is equal to 3 square 9 minus 6y plus y square. Okay, here that is the plus y square plus y square plus y square get cancelled. Remaining thing 49, here 9 is a plus, here become a minus, is equal to minus 6y minus 14y. 49 minus 9, that is equal to 40, is equal to minus 20y. Therefore y is equal to 40 divided by minus 20, and that become minus 2. First we get value of y, that is a minus 2. Now putting these values of y is equal to minus 2 in the equation, OP square is equal to OQ square, and then we get the value of x. Now considering OP square is equal to 6 minus x bracket square plus minus 6 minus y bracket square is equal to 3 minus x bracket square plus minus 7 minus y bracket square. Putting the value of y is equal to minus 2. 6 minus x bracket square plus minus 6 minus 2 bracket square is equal to 3 minus x bracket square plus minus 7 minus 2 bracket square. 6 minus x bracket square remain as it is, plus minus 6 plus 4, that become minus 4 bracket square is equal to 3 minus x bracket square plus minus 7 minus plus, that becomes a minus 5 bracket square. Okay, 6 minus x bracket square, 6 square, that is a 36 minus 12 6 plus 12x plus x square plus 4 square, that is a 16 is equal to 3 square 9 minus 6x plus x square is plus 25. x square get cancel. 36 plus 16, that become a 52 minus 12x is equal to 25 and 9. Okay, that become 34 minus 6x. Okay, this 52 here is a plus sign, opposite side that becomes a negative. Minus 12x plus 6x is equal to 34 minus 52, that become minus 6x is equal to minus 18. 6x is equal to minus 18, x is equal to, sorry, here minus become plus. Okay, therefore 18 plus 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3, x is equal to 3. Then we get the value of x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 2. Let's recall this equation. Now first we have to considering O is the center of the circle having coordinate xy, P x1 y1, Q x2 y2 and R x3 y3 and their coordinate. Now OP, OQ and OR are the radius. Therefore by using the distance formula we can calculate OP under root x1 minus x bracket square plus y1 minus y bracket square squaring, and then we get the OP square is equal to 6 minus x bracket square plus minus 6 minus y bracket square. Next we have to considering OQ, and after that we have to considering OR, and we get the value of OP square, OQ square and OR square. If OP is equal to OQ is equal to OR, then squaring we get the OP square is equal to OQ square is equal to OR square. Now first we have to considering OQ square is equal to OR square. Now by using the equation number 2 and equation number 3 we get OQ square is equal to 3 minus x bracket square plus minus 7 minus y bracket square is equal to 3 minus x bracket square plus 3 minus y bracket square. Okay, both this side contain 3 minus x, that's why 3 minus x bracket square and 3 minus x bracket square that become cancel. Remaining thing minus 7 minus y square minus 3 minus y square squaring, then we get 49 plus 14y plus y square, 3 square 9 double there, 6y minus 6y plus y square get cancelled. 49 here 9 become a plus, here become minus, 49 minus 9 plus 14y that become minus 14y. Okay, minus 14 minus 6 that become minus 20, 40 divided by minus 20 that become minus 2, y is equal to minus 2. Putting these values of minus 2 in a equation, OP square is equal to OQ square. Okay, put the values of y is equal to minus 2 in OP square is equal to OQ square. Value of OP and OQ that are given in equation number first and equation number second. Now considering 6 minus x bracket square plus minus 6 minus y bracket square is equal to 3 minus x square plus minus 7 minus y bracket square. Squaring on both side and putting the values of y, we get 6 minus x bracket square plus minus 6 minus minus 2 bracket square is equal to 3 minus x square plus minus 7 minus minus 2 bracket square. By solving this bracket we get 6 minus x square plus minus 4 square is equal to 3 minus x bracket square plus minus 5 square. Squaring this bracket, 36 minus 12x plus x square plus 16, 9 minus 6x plus x square plus 25. Both the side containing x square get cancelled. Then 36 plus 16 that become a 52 minus 12x is equal to 9 plus 25, 34 minus 6x. Okay, then minus 12x plus 6x is equal to 34 minus 52. Minus 6x is equal to minus 18. Therefore both sides become a positive. Then we get 6x is equal to 18. X is equal to plus 18 upon 6 is equal to 3. Therefore the x is equal to 3. Therefore the coordinate of a center O is equal to x, y, and that are 3 minus 2. Okay friends, thank you.